Hi guys, most of you might already be knowing this from the recent post that I've shared that Inside Organon now has its own application. Yes, you can download it from the Google Play Store, and as soon as you log in into the application, you will get to see all of the notes that Inside Organon provides. You can buy it from there, save it as your downloads, and view it whenever you want. We also have our new course of Materia Medica that has recently been launched, that is of 5000 rupees. But since Independence Day offer is going on, you can avail a rupees 3000 discount by using the coupon code that is provided in the app. From today onwards, you can also download your notes. We have Organon notes that is available. We have repertory. There are lectures of basics of Organon that also you can avail, and other notes are also available. For today, we have an offer on which you can download Organon notes, that is Organon part 1 and part 2, just at rupees 71, and the offer ends midnight. So if you are planning on buying one, प्लीज़ मेक श्योर दैट डिस्क्रिप्शन में दी हुई लिंक से या फिर फर्स्ट कमेंट की लिंक से आप ऐप को डाउनलोड कर सकते हो एंड